The session. Today's session we will discuss about the applications of machine learning. So this session is very useful. Suppose as students you want to implement some kind of you want to do some kind of projects, you can get an idea of which all different kind of projects that you can use, where all you can use machine learning algorithm. So first and foremost, we all know that machine learning is being used everywhere in every domain, we can say, right? Some of the typical applications that I will discuss is, the first one is a sentiment analysis. Now NLP is being one of the most commonly used, and and everybody is trying to learn this and implement this. A very good machine learning application, NLP, it stands for natural language processing, where the words of documents are converted to sentiments like happy, sad, angry. So one very good example of this is, suppose you have gone to a movie and you have written a review of the movie, or on Amazon you have written your product reviews. You might have given a 5-star. You can see that after you write the reviews, 5 stars and 1 star, they automatically can be attached using the sentimental analysis. So how did the algorithm do? So based upon your review, looking at the word, suppose I just write a simple statement, awesome movie. So awesome is the word that the NLP has captured and probably given a 5-star or a 4 stars. So if I write a bad product, so the bad is a word that the algorithm has understood and converted that into a 1 star. So that is the sentimental analysis. So based upon the word of documents, the sentiments can be analyzed by the algorithm. So that is NLP. NLP is used everywhere. We all know that, like most of the chatbots, everywhere you have NLP. The second most important application of machine learning is recommendation systems. We all know about this, right? You watch a movie on Netflix, based upon what kind of movies you're watching, right? The same kind of movies are actually suggested for you, right? So recommendation system is it's based upon machine learning, right? You have personal purchases. You buy a book on Amazon. So after that you can see related books of the same topics are normally given as a recommendation. So recommendation systems are very popular application of machine learning. Third one, voice assistant. We all are using this. Alexa, we are using Apple Siri, Microsoft's Cortana, Google Assistant, right? And now you have Gemini. Now all these are chatbots, right, which are taking speech commands by you and it is performing the task, right? Even these chatbots are employing machine learning algorithms. Now coming to Google Maps, we all are familiar with maps, right? Even there we are using machine learning, which it is helping us to locate, navigate the shortest path to reduce the time. So these are some of the major applications, and many more. As I already told you, in business, right, you can use machine learning to predict the bankruptcy of your business firm. In banking, you can use to predict the bank loan defaulters. Image processing, right, for object identification, image classification, even for generating synthetic images you can use. Chatbots, right, telecommunication systems where you can make a trend analysis and identify the bogus calls or the fraudulent calls. Market analysis, product sales analysis. The next one is games, various game programs, right, like chess, Go program, Atari video games, and we have discussed in earlier sessions a grid game. They're all examples of machine learning algorithms. NLP, as I already told you, Google Translate, text summarization. You give a big text, it will summarize and give it for you. Sentiment analysis, which we just discussed. Web analysis, right, where you detect the emails. You can email spams and it automatically sends that mail to a spam folder. Viruses are automatically detected. Web services and promotion of user websites. And then diseases, right? Basically, if you as a student you want to implement a project in medical field, there's a lot of scope for implementing your machine learning algorithm in medical field, any kind of prediction of diseases based upon the symptoms, like whether it is cancerous or whether it is a diabetes, or just take the patient history and then kind of give what kind of treatments are good. Chatbots to interact with the patients, like IBM Watson, right, is a chatbot which will help to interact with the patients, where based upon the based upon the symptoms, it's going to suggest what can be done. That is also using machine learning algorithms. Multimedia security for recognition, face recognition and fingerprint identification, biometric projects if you want to do, or you want to identify a people in a set of huge amount of database, right? They're all using again machine learning. Scientific domain, right? For example, identification of earthquake epicenters, identification of similar land uses. You want to discover new galaxies, or disk identification of groups of houses based on house types. You can do all these kinds of projects, right, as students. So these are all machine learning application is huge. Any amount of projects can be done, and the data, the best thing is you want to implement your project, the data sets are available free of cost on web. You can easily get the data and start implement your algorithm. So that was about the machine learning applications. In the next session we will go to the second part of this module 2. We'll be discussing a lot about big data analysis. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to the channel.